The Simp composite is clocking in at 1493.1, up 1.18%, which sounds like a bull run until you notice more men are losing ground than gaining it. 5 decliners to 4 advancers, gentlemen. The math is not flattering. I'm Samuel Simp at the simpx.exchange desk, your home for tracked cap, sitting at a cool $1.297 trillion this session. TIPS is leading the charge at 2.7%, while Ring is dragging the room down nearly 2.7% in the other direction, which means commitment remains, as always, the worst performing asset in the portfolio.
$500 billion in tracked sponsorship capital, and the Bulls and Bears are basically tied at 3, advancing 4 declining. Somebody call that a market. I dare you. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where the composite SPAN is clinging to 500 flat with a 0.01% gain that is statistically indistinguishable from a shrug. Watch is leading the charge up 3.5%, while Games bleeds out at negative 3.3, which tells you everything you need to know about where the ladies are allocating their attention this Q3.
Travel is lapping supplements on the Grindset Index today, which tells you everything you need to know about where men are putting their faith. Apparently in airplane seats, not protein tubs. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, and the composite grind is closing this session at 794.25, off 18 basis points on a near $1 trillion tracked cap, with 5 names in the red against 4 in the green. The index is limping into the close, but if travel keeps outrunning SUPs by 5 percentage points, the market is basically telling men to skip leg day and book a flight instead.
Men are outspending everyone else on women right now, with the Simp economy commanding a $1.297 trillion market cap that dwarfs both the sponsor economy at $537 billion and the Grindset Index at $940 billion. Capital allocation has spoken, and it has sent flowers. Simp is the only index printing green in Q3 2026, up 1.18% to 493.1, while Grind slips 0.18% and SPAN flatlines at a statistically insulting 0.01% gain, suggesting men are simultaneously funding romance and neglecting self-improvement, which, frankly, tracks. Full data, live feeds, and the uncomfortable truth about where your money actually goes at simpx.exchange.